In this video, I will show you how to make AI talking photo, guys. Okay, let's say that you already have a photo that you want to make it talk. I'm gonna show you what to do in order to make your photo to talk. Let's say that you have created, let's say that you're using Leonardo AI to generate any photo, guys. Okay, you can see these some of the photos that I was generating using Leonardo AI, guys. Okay, so let's just give it an example of this photo, guys. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make this photo to talk into English, guys. Okay, so what I can do, I'm gonna use this software called AI Talkie. So AI Talkie, guys, this is the software that you can use, guys, okay, to take any photo into a talking person, guys. Okay, so what you can do actually here, guys, you can just click here to project. Remember, for AI Talkie, guys, I will leave a link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get an access with AI Talkie, guys. Okay, but first of all, let me show you on how to use these photos, these presenters to make them talk, guys. Okay, using AI Talkie, guys. Okay, let me just use this person, this photo first of all. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'll also come back, guys, okay, using this photo to talk. I'll show you how to do, but let me first show you how to use this person, these photos to talk. Okay, these are the photos, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna click here to project. I'm gonna give this a project name. And then after that, I have to choose, guys. Okay, all of these AI voices. As you can see that with this software, guys, it comes with so many AI voices that I can use, not only in English, guys, but with multiple languages that I can use. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna scroll down because I want to choose an English voice. Okay, I'm just gonna use an English voice. Choose an English voice. I'm just gonna go to E. I'm just gonna use an UK voice from a male voice. After that, guys, I'm just gonna click here. You can also paste. You can also write your own script here, guys. Okay, or you can just also paste your own script if you already generated your own script, guys. Okay, but what I like to do, guys, I like to use this feature called leverage on AI. When I click here to leverage on AI, this is whereby, guys, that this software, it can write any content with any niche, guys. Okay, it will write the content according to the prompt that you have given this AI tool to write, guys. Okay, it works similar like ChatGPT or like any AI content writer out there, guys. What I'm going to do, this software, I will say to this, okay, I'll say to this, why United States is very powerful. Is very powerful in finance. Okay, I'm just gonna click here to submit. So what's gonna happen, this AI tool, guys, okay, is gonna write a content according to the prompt that I've given this AI tool, guys. Okay, you can see it is processing. Look at this, in just a few seconds it is done writing the content, guys. Okay, using this AI tool, what you can do actually here, guys, okay, you can just scroll down and see the content that is generated by this AI tool, guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna delete this part, but I don't want to make this video too long, guys, for you. I'll delete this content, and then after that, I'm just gonna go here and then delete here as well, and then after that, I'm just gonna delete the numbers only, guys. Okay, delete the numbers. After that, I'm just gonna click here to generate. So when I click here to generate, what's gonna happen, this AI tool, guys, okay, is gonna talk, guys. Okay, it's gonna talk about this content that is generated by this tool, and also you can see that it's done. Let's see.
The United States is considered a powerful force in finance for several reasons. Economic size and GDP, the United States has the largest economy in the world, with a gross domestic product, GDP, of over...
As you can see that, guys, it just a few seconds, it sounds like a human, guys. Okay, what you can do, you can just click here to download this video. It's gonna be downloaded straight on laptop or on your PC. But now let me show you on how to use this image, guys. Okay, this image from Leonardo AI to talk as well. What you can do, this software, you can do the same thing. Just go here. You can also, guys, use these AI. You can also use human spokesperson clips. It works the same thing like I showed you earlier on, guys. Okay, so what you can do here, I'm just gonna click here to animation. As you can see, there's so many presenters that you can choose from. But in this video, let me click here to import an image. I'm just gonna click here to import an image. So when I click here to import an image, this is whereby that I can just import this image. I'm just gonna download this image from this. I'm just gonna open it here, and then after that, I imported this image. I'm gonna give it a project name. You can just give it a project name. So a project name, you can just give it any project name that you want. I'm just gonna give it a project name as well, guys. Okay. And then after that, I'm just gonna choose an AI voice as well. Okay. I'm just gonna choose an AI voice. I'll scroll down. I have to choose an English voice as well. I'm just gonna use this one, a male voice. And then after that, I'm just gonna use this AI tool, guys. Okay, to write any content. I'm just gonna click here to leverage on AI. And then I'm just gonna say, write for me. I'm gonna say, why United States has the most powerful army. I'm just gonna click here to submit. So this tool, guys, is gonna write the content for me according to the prompt that I've given this tool to do. As you can see, it is processing. In just a few minutes, guys, it is done. It is done writing the content for me automatically. So what I'm gonna do actually, guys, I'm just gonna delete this because I don't want it to make it too long. So I'm gonna delete this part and then click here to generate. When I click here to generate, it's gonna generate this content. Let's give it some time. It's processing. Let's give it some time, guys. Okay.
There are several reasons why the United States has the most powerful army in the world.
As you can see that, guys, let's play it again.
There are several reasons why the United States has the most powerful army in the world.
As you can see, it is so easy to use this software, guys. You can just click here to download it. It's gonna be downloaded straight on your laptop or on your PC, guys. Okay. If you want to get access to this software, I will leave a link down below in the description of this YouTube video for AI Talkie, guys. Okay. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below in the comment sections. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Take care and may God bless you. Sharp.